Well, hello and welcome to Fit to Explore. If you're watching this video, you've made it past the security fencing and you're into the members area of the site. So up on the public pages you'd have seen is all the information generically about the site. But from where you find yourself now, logged in and registered, I'm going to take you around what we have for you to use. Firstly, in the staff room, we'll go in there in a moment, but that's all the resources that you need, your lesson plans and your fact sheets for the different challenges. But let's go right ahead. On this page as well are some links in to the challenges that we've got. An EYFS challenge, but let's have a look firstly at the first Key Stage 1 challenge, which is based around capitals. So as you can see, this challenge takes pupils around the capitals of the British Isles, from London through to Cardiff, covering, as the crow flies, 745 miles. So with your pupils' daily miles, these add up, and we can sort of take them on an adventure around the country as they travel. So the first element that you see on this page is a tracker. You might first have to just click to load Adobe Flash. But when you do, as you can see, we've got a little man running around the stops that this challenge will take people upon. What you can do if, like, at the end of the first week, your pupils have, say, covered a collective, I don't know, 150 miles or something, you can put that in up here, and we can see sort of where that's where our little chap has got to. Okay, so then down into the, as we scroll down to the next sections, and this is on the top of every challenge. Firstly, there's a health check questionnaire, which if we open that up, it's for your pupils to sort of fill out and check where they're at with things. And also there's a link to rainy day exercises. So if it's raining outside, it's no excuse. There's a video here to sort of get everybody working up a sweat and doing some exercise within the classroom. Okay, so then once we get into the sort of challenge proper, every stop you'll see has got a video, a fun sort of little collection of facts and bits from the location where we're moving to. So I won't play the videos now, but we've got a video of London and then Edinburgh, and as you can see as we go down. So as well as, you know, each stop, it sort of shows us how long it is to the next place. So from Belfast to Dublin, we've got to cover 87 miles. Within each destination, there's a sort of a load of geography and history facts as well, and sort of information about the place, sort of telling us, giving suitable learning opportunities there. We've also got next to each stop, sort of so you can see progress on sort of on Google Maps of the route that has been taken. So this is next to the last stop, Cardiff, and it shows the sort of total journey taken around there. The mileage is slightly different, as this is sort of real walked miles down roads, etc., as opposed to as the crow flies. So all the challenges work in a separate way. There's different challenges to work on. As mentioned, over in the staff room, for each lesson plan, capitals was the one we just looked at. There's a lesson plan and the fact sheets. There's also a few bonus sort of documents, really, whereby if I jump over to one of the Key Stage 2 challenges, as well as the similar format as we just saw on the Key Stage 1. This is a longer journey to go, and this sort of takes us through a learning journey through, as it says, all roads lead to Rome. Got the tracker going along there as well. Got the same sort of links, but also down here we have got a few sort of language lesson elements as well. So, and there's a whole sort of some extra resources, those lesson fact sheets to help with things there. And this is typical and similar to the other lesson plans. So, you know, everything you need to help plan those lessons out. Okay. Also on the Key Stage 2 ones, you'll find in this some extra information. This one sort of got some extra points about the Roman impact on Britain. And then on all the Key Stage 2s, you've got a nice timeline going down and some key dates as things go down. So just to further enrich that learning. And that, I think, is about everything that we've got. Hope you enjoy it. Welcome your feedback. I hope it's a really useful way to engage your children and get them learning whilst getting active. Yeah, as mentioned, there's certificates in here as well for once the challenges are complete. Okay, thanks very much.